Okay, we're going to see if my little change there worked. So we're starting up the Mac iBook G4, and hopefully it will go into the new Mac mode. If I didn't mess this up, it should work. We'll see. 24 seconds. Boy, it's taken a while. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, it's gonna work. I'm almost certain of it now. Yep. We get the little spinning thing. Use English. Oh yeah, I think we're good. Alright. English. Yeah. Thank you. Go on, baby. Terrific. Welcome. Yes, I think we'll choose United States. Select your keyboard. Looks like we've got it. We're all set there. United States. Do you already own a Mac? Would you like to transfer? No. Select a wireless service. Yeah, let's let him on mine. There's only one little problem. Wait. Password. Selected network requires a password. Okay. This is where I'm going to stop the recording temporarily, and then once I get the password in, I'll start again. Okay. So far so good. It looks like we're ready to roll.